Hi guys, I'm Sumit, and in this video we will learn how to import and export CSS variables and CSS classes in BricksBuilder. So first of all, come to BricksBuilder editor, and then we will have two methods to import and export CSS classes and variables. So first we can select any element on the canvas and then have to click here, and here in the field besides you will get two options. First one export and the second import. You can use this option to quickly export and import. Right now we don't have any classes, so we can't export, but we can import by clicking here, and we can select the file here and import it. Alright, and then save, and that's it. And we also have another method to access the manager. We can click here on the classes and variables icon. With the help of this we can access this manager. Here we have two options, classes and variables. Classes is the active one, and all the below options are related to classes. And now we have variables manager. Okay, now come to classes. Now let's first import variables. To import the variables, we have to click here on the import button, select the file, choose the JSON file, and this is asking about importing categories. Yes, I want. And here you can see our categories are imported and variables also. Now close this, and here as you can see all the categories and variables are imported successfully. And to export all these, you can click here, export, and all the variables are exported. But if you want to export any specific variable, then you can select it here, or let's say like this. You can select only these variables. Otherwise, if you want export only variables that has a specific word, so like this, if I want to export only font family variables, then I can do that as well. Then come here and I can export only this one. Alright, and also you can export any single variable as well. Alright, now come back to classes, and here we have no classes, so let's first import. Select file, select the JSON file, and our 253 global classes are imported. Save changes, and here now you can see all the classes are imported. Right now while recording this video, I think Bricks doesn't have feature to import global classes categories, but I checked the Bricks roadmap and they will bring the feature to import categories as well. So that's all, and you can use any feature like here used on this page or unused on this page to import or export. I can select it here, like you can select any classes to export, and you can also delete as well. So that's all about import and export CSS variables and classes in BricksBuilder.